Hey traders, in this video, I call bullshit on a Chinese EV car maker, SOLO. That's the ticker symbol, SOLO, Solo. They're a micro car company out of China, and it's a $3 stock, and the car has 3 wheels. Let me sit down before I get too far on this rant. So, this is a relatively new EV car maker, and I don't even think they've made a presence here in the US, or I couldn't even find out on the website if they sold a vehicle. All they do is want to take my reservation, and hopefully I'll get this little car. And I don't know about you, but I could barely fit into a Prius, and I'm only 5'9". These cars are made for, I don't know, little munchkins. I just think this industry is very hyped up right now. And if you do want to go with an EV name that has a proven track record, a proven history, and you don't want to pay $300 a share for Tesla, look at NIO. It's a tenth of the price. They have 100.1% year-over-year growth, 5,555 vehicles delivered in October. And some of these names popping up, they don't even have vehicles on the road, okay? I get it. People want to go to electric out of gas. Hey, I'm all for it, but be very cautious on some of these names out there, especially if you look at the fundamentals. It's $3 for a darn reason. So I call bullshit on Solo. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Lance Ippolito.